Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, I really appreciate it. So last week I went to Horn Rapids MX in Richland, Washington. It was about a 3-hour drive. It was a good trip. But currently we're on our way to ECMX in Lewiston, Idaho. So yeah, we're currently on the road. Should be a really cool trip. I got the Honda with me again. So we're currently on the highway. We're about 90 miles out. So it should be a really cool trip. I'm excited. Stay tuned. Got about 60 more miles to hit Lewiston. Passing some big windmills. Gnarly, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah. That's cool. I've never seen one this close. These things are freaking massive. Wow. Cool. Alright guys, so we made it to the track. I'm going to unload my bike, gear up, and we're going to go out and do some sight laps, and then we'll put in some motos. This place is pretty huge. I don't think I've ever seen a motocross track this big. So it should be really fun. We're going to come out, and yeah, it's basically the second ride of the season, so I'm excited to get after it and have a good day. And yeah, should be sick. We'll go fast today.
Yago, bitch, you drive me crazy.
Just like that, day is over. It was a pretty sick day though, pretty sick ride. Drove all the way from Spokane to ECMX in Lewiston in Idaho. It's a pretty dope day. Brought the Honda 450. put in some good motos, some good lap times, some good consistency. So yeah, I'm pretty hyped about it. So that's cool. Heading back, we're about 40 miles out of Spokane. But yeah, this season looks promising, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. So yeah, pretty sick.
Yago beats, you drive me crazy.
Hey guys, if you made it to the end of this video, please be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. It really helped my channel out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. I want to give a big shout out to Cyber Optics and Waxed Racing. Go to www.waxedracing.com and enter promo code KEEL25 for 25% off. Please also go check out Cyber Optics at www.cybermxproducts.com. As usual guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.